And here is question number 3 of WAEC 2025 for the mathematics examination, the theory questions. A function f is defined by f of x equal to 72 divided by px plus r, where p and r are constants. Given that f of 6 is equal to 12 and f of 7 equal to 9, find the values of p and r. And we ask to evaluate f inverse of 5 divided by 3. Let's get started. The first one, we are given that f of 6 is equal to 12. F of 6 is equal to 12. What does it mean? It means that y is equal to 12 when x is equal to 6. So in the main function, we are going to substitute f of x to be 12 equal to 72 divided by px, that is 6 times p, that is 6p, then plus r. I think we can switch this and this. Let's do that. We have 6p plus r is equal to 72 divided by 12. And 72 divided by 12 is equal to 6, right? So we have 6p plus r is equal to 6. This is our first equation. Then the second statement stated that f of 7 is equal to 9. So we have f of 7 equal to 9, which means that 9 as a function, that is f of x, equal to 72 divided by 7 times p, 7p, then plus r. We do the same thing. Let's switch this and this. We have 7p plus r is equal to 72 divided by 9. And 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8. So we form another equation. 7p plus r is equal to 8. This is our second equation. Now, which one is greater? Okay, equation 2 is greater than equation 1. So we can say that subtract equation 1 from equation number 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation number 2. So you can see that equation number 2 is 7p plus r minus the left hand side of equation 1, which is 6p plus r. 6p plus r equal to the right hand side here is 8, and the other equation we have 6, right? So you can see that 7p minus 6p will give us a p, and r minus r will give us 0. So the other side we have 8 minus 6 is 2. So p is equal to 2. So to find r, we can substitute the value of p into any of the two equations. Let's use equation 1. From equation number 1, we have 6r plus r, 6p plus r equal to 6, right? But p is equal to 2, so we have 6 times 2 plus r is equal to 6. This is 12, right? As it crosses over, it becomes negative. We have r equal to 6 minus 12, which is negative 6. So r equals negative 6. So we have just obtained the values of p and r. So you can combine them if you so wish. P comma r is equal to 2 comma negative 6. We are done with the A part. Then moving to the B part, we are asked to find f inverse of 5 divided by 3. So what we need to find is what? The inverse of the function. Remember, the function given to us is f of x equal to 72 divided by what? Can I actually remember? Px plus r, right? Px plus r. This is the main function, but we have the values of p and r. Let's plug them here. Therefore, f of x is equal to 72 divided by what is p? P is 2, so we have 2x here. And r is minus 6, so we have minus 6 here. So this is the main function. Now let us find the inverse before we plug in that 5 divided by 3. First then, we're going to substitute f of x with y. So we have y equal to 72 divided by 2x minus 6. Next, let us make x the subject. Let's cross multiply. Y times this will give us 2xy, and y times that will give us negative 6y. This is equal to 72. Then you take this one to the other side. We have 2xy equal to 72 plus 6y. Then we divide both sides by what? 2y, because we are looking for x. So x will be equal to 72 plus 6y divided by 2y. Now we are going to substitute this with f inverse of x. And wherever we have y here, we're going to replace it with x. So this is 72 plus 6x divided by 2x. This is the inverse function. Next, wherever we have x, we are going to plug in what? 5 over 30, right? You see that? 5 over 30. So let's go on. F inverse of 5 divided by 30 implies that wherever we have x, we should replace it with 5 divided by 30. So this is 72 plus 6 times 5 divided by 30 divided by 2 times 5 divided by 30. This is equal to 72 plus 3 can divide 6 exactly 2 times, and 2 times 5 is 10. Divide by, this is 10 divided by 30, right? 10 divided by 30. To the top we have 82. 82 dividing by a fraction is the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal of that fraction. Yes. So let's multiply. 82 times 30 will give us 246. So this is 246 divided by 10. I don't know, because no condition is given. We can either write it in fraction or in decimal. If it is in fraction, we can divide the top and the bottom by, 2, because all of them are even numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3 to the top. To the bottom, we have 5. This is in fraction. Or you can simply divide this by 10, which is 24.6. It depends on how you want to write your answer. So this is f inverse of what? 5 divided by 30. As simple as that. Let us move on to question number 4.